Little storyteller.
Nimbus the cloud was a happy, fluffy cloud who loved to drift over the world and watch what everyone was doing. One sunny morning, as Nimbus floated above a town with colorful houses, he saw a bright blue building with big friendly letters that spelled Game Store. Curious, Nimbus peeked inside. He saw shelves filled with colorful boxes and children laughing as they played games at a big table. On the table were many different kinds of little blocks with dots and numbers. These were called dice. Nimbus thought they looked like fun. Suddenly, Nimbus felt a little tickle inside, like when it was about to rain, but instead of water, something amazing started to happen. Tiny, colorful shapes began to fall from Nimbus. Plink, plonk, they landed softly on the street below. Children playing hopscotch looked up in surprise. They saw little pyramids with 4 sides, D4 sas, cubes with 6 sides, D6 sas, and even round shapes with 20 sides, D20 sas, falling from the sky. There were also some soft, fuzzy dice bouncing on the sidewalk. Lily, a girl with bright red boots, giggled as a sparkly pink D6 landed in her hand. Tom, a boy wearing a blue cap, caught a big green D20. "Wow!" he exclaimed. "This is perfect for my new dragon game." Soon all the children were collecting the colorful dice, their eyes wide with wonder and joy. They had dice of every shape and color imaginable. Nimbus floated away, feeling happy that he had brought joy to the children. As the children played with their new dice, Lily noticed that her friend Sam didn't have as many as she did. She walked over to Sam and offered him some of her sparkly dice. "Here, Sam," she said with a smile. "We can share." Sam's face lit up. Sharing made the game even more fun for everyone. It turns out that having lots of dice is good, but having good friends to share them with is even better.
Please subscribe. Thank you.